It's all about the driver and making sure that they have the best tools available to do their daily jobs.
The equipment is top notch, it's top of the line. And I remember us getting Kenworth, a little smaller. We ended up getting the extended cab. Seemed like a small thing, but to a driver, for somebody to feel like getting you an extended cab would help you, and they spent the extra money to do that, just shows that they do care.
We went and replaced most of our fleet of trailers. Anything that we had that was 10 years old or older got traded in and got replaced. Basically a whole brand new fleet of state-of-the-art, brand new, beautiful equipment.
And we have equipment with satellite radio and equipment heated and cooled seats.
Air ride seats, air ride cabs. These things are like Cadillacs.
They maintain their vehicles well. I recently got DOT'd, passed with flying colors.
We wash the trucks and the trailers weekly. We also get the units detailed. I mean, they come in there and they detail the inside of the truck when technically the customers don't see inside the truck. That's just to make the drivers feel more comfortable.
One of the things that we did years ago, we looked into going with the automatic transmissions, and believe it or not, it makes your job a whole lot easier during the day, especially sitting in traffic.
I feel like the energy dispatch equipment is the superior to all the fleets surrounding us.
They give me the tools to do my job.